Do you know how to create melodies that makes hearts melt right on the spot? Imagine two little penguins standing close together in the snow. The wind is cold, but their laugh keeps them warm. What would their story sound like on the piano? Maybe like this? In this video I'll show you how to create melodies that tell stories. Like our penguin couple in the snow. Just few simple phrases in A minor. Very important. Melodies are made of short phrases, like sentences in a love letter. If you learn a few different types of phrases, you can combine them to express anything: longing, joy and tenderness. Our story today is set in A minor with this chord progression: A minor, D minor, A minor and E minor. Let's start with two types of phrases you can use. First type, phrases with neighboring tones. These are phrases where notes move step by step, like this. Like our penguins walking slowly side by side. For example, under A minor, C, B, A. Under D minor, E, D or F, E, D. Or even longer, A, B, C, D, E, F. Still gentle and connected. If you want to go deeper, I've got a free download that helps you learn to improvise with chords and melodies, even if you never improvised before. The link is below in the description. Remember, very important, anyone can learn to improvise. It's like learning to speak a new language. So let's go to the second type of phrases, phrases from chord tones, the strong note of each chord. For example, E minor, we have E, G and B. Or D minor, we have D, F and A. Or you can change the order: E minor, G, E, B, or D minor, A, D and F. These sound a bit more grounded, like when our penguins finally find shelter from the snow. Now that we have our two kinds of phrases, neighboring tones and chord tones, we can combine them to build a full melody. Here are two simple ways to do it. Play three phrases with neighboring tones, and on the fourth use a chord tone phrase to give a sense of arrival, like this. Neighboring, 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 chord tones. Another example: neighboring, 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 chord tones. Or alternate them, one neighboring tone phrase, one chord tone phrase. Then again, that creates natural variety, like this. Once again. Notice how each pattern feels like another chapter in the penguin's love story. Tension, closeness and warmth. Here's a beautiful trick. Reverse the direction of your phrases. Take a downward line and play it upward. Downward line and play it upward. Or take an ascending phrase and play it down. Ascending, play it down. Or this, play it down. Or this, play it down. When you do this, you create emotion. Upward motion, creates hope or excitement, like this. Or downward motion creates calm or reflection. Just like our penguins, sometimes they climb a snow hill together. Sometimes they rest and look at the stars. Now, let's put it all together. More chords, more phrases, more feeling. Remember, when you improvise, there's no time to think. You have to feel. That's why practicing these phrases is so important, like learning words before writing poetry. Have a listen. The more phrases you know, the more freely you can tell your musical stories. Your penguins can dance, or rest, or fall in love again, all through melody. If this video helped you feel inspired to create your own melting melodies, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more piano improvisation tips. And don't forget to download your free improvisation guide. The link is below in the description. So keep your music warm, even in the snow.